Welcome to Max class. In this class, I am going to explain the sums given in 1.2 in the chapter Numbers. Question number 4. Find the LCM of each set of numbers using prime factorization method. Subdivision 1. The given numbers are 6 and 9. We find the factors of 6 and 9 by division method. 6 is divided by 2, we get 3. 9 is divided by 3, we get 3. Factors of 6 equal to 2 into 3. Factors of 9 equal to 3 into 3. So LCM of 6 and 9 equal to 3 into 2 into 3. So we have already known LCM equal to product of common factors and non-common factors. So 3 into 2 into 3 equal to 18. LCM of 6 and 9 is equal to 18. Subdivision 2. The given numbers are 8 and 12. We find the factors of 8 and 12 by division method. Factors of 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Factors of 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. LCM of 8 and 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 24. Here 2 into 2 are common factors and 2 and 3 are not common factors. So LCM of 8 and 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 24. Subdivision 3. 10 and 15. We find the factors of 10 and 15 by division method. Factors of 10 equal to 2 into 5. Factors of 15 equal to 3 into 5. LCM of 10 and 15 equal to 5 into 2 into 3 equal to 30. Subdivision 4. The given numbers are 14 and 42. We find the factors of 14 and 42 by division method. Factors of 14 equal to 2 into 7. Factors of 42 equal to 2 into 3 into 7. LCM of 14 and 42 equal to 7 into 2 into 3 equal to 42. Subdivision 5. The given numbers are 30, 40 and 60. We find the factors of 30, 40 and 60 by division method. The factors of 30 equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Factors of 40 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Factors of 60 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. The common factors are 2 and 5. The non-common factors are 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. LCM of 30, 40 and 60 equal to 2 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 2 equal to 120. Subdivision 6. The given numbers are 15, 25 and 75. We find the factors of 15, 25 and 75 by division method. Factors of 15 equal to 3 into 5. Factors of 25 equal to 5 into 5. Factors of 75 equal to 3 into 5 into 5. The common factor is 5 and the non-common factors are 3 into 5. LCM of 15 into 25 and 75 equal to 5 into 3 into 5 equal to 75. Question number 5. Find the HCF and LCM of the given numbers 154, 194 and 286. 154, 198 and 286 are even numbers. So they are divided by 2. We get 77, 99 and 143. So 77, 99 and 143 are divided by 11. We get 7, 9 and 13. Factors of 154 equal to 2 into 7 into 11. Factors of 198 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. Factors of 286 equal to 2 into 13 into 11. So highest common factor of 154, 198 and 286 equal to 11 into 2 equal to 22. Question number 6. What is the greatest possible volume of vessel that can be used to measure exactly the volume of milk in cans of 80 liters, 100 liters and 120 liters? We find the factors of 80, 100 and 120 by division method. We get the factors of 80 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Factors of 100 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. And factors of 120 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Highest common factor of 80, 100 and 120 equal to 2 into 2 into 5. So we get 20. So volume of vessel equal to 20 liters. Students, I hope you have understood the sums in exercise 1.2. Thank you.